Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is, can you see the lecture on the screens, and can you see the lecture on the screen? Okay. Chapter number 2, we are going to study today multiplication. Okay. Multiplication sums are involved. Zan, can you hear me? Okay. Question number topic 1, we have multiplication, multiplying by tens. Using this method, we will multiply the numbers. Okay, here we have number 1 multiplied by 10. When you 1 multiply by 10, answer will be 1 tens are 10. Like it's a disk of 1 multiplied 10 is equal to 1 tens are 10. In the same way, when you have disk of 10 and you will multiply it by 10, then 10 tens are 100. When you multiply it by 100, when you multiplied 100 by 10, answer will be 100 tens are 1000. Okay, and in the last, when you multiply 1000 by 10, answer will be 10,000. Means when you multiply 1, 10, 100, 1000, 1 0 is increasing. Okay, 0 is increasing. First term, first question number 1, you have term got the answer 10. In second you got 100. In third you got 1000, and in fourth you got 10,000. Is that clear? Then when you multiply 1 by 10, answer become 10. When you multiply 10 by 10, answer become 100. Means 2 0 is involving. Here we have 100 times a 1000, like 3 zeros. So we write 1 with 3 zeros. And here in the last 1000 multiplied by 10, it become 1, 2, 3, 4. It becomes 4 zeros with 1. Okay, 10,000. In the same way, we will solve another questions. We have 2 multiplied by 10, and it become 2 tens are 20. 20. Okay, we will solve it by the help of disk. हम इसको disk method से we will use disk for this solving. हम इसको disk method से solve करेंगे. Like 1 is placed into 1 is split into 2. 2 place is split into 1 disk. Okay, 2 हमारे पास कौन सी place पर है? 1 place पर, unit place पर. Okay, unit place mean 1 multiplied by 10. 1 tens are 10, and here 2 हमने break कर दिया. We broke 2 in 1 place, 1 disk. Okay, 1 tens are 10, and 10 plus 10 20, or in simple way 2 tens are 20. Okay, now let's move toward the next question. अब हम next question में अगर हम solve करेंगे, then we have 2-digit number. Okay, it's a 2-digit number, so we use disk. Here we will use disk, and then just a minute, and then here we have 1, and on 10 place we have 1 disk, number 1, and we will write in the disk 10. 10 की हमारे पास एक disk है, and then we have 2 disk. Okay, 10 multiplied by all numbers will be multiplied by 1. Okay, yes, when you multiply the disk by 10, answer हमारा हो जाएगा it become 10 tens are 100. Okay, it become 10 tens are 100. and it become disk number 1 multiplied and solve. We will so do it. 1 times a 100 and it become 10 times a 100. Okay. Okay, now next step we have two disk of number 2. Here we will write and then multiplied by again 10. Answer will be 10. Here you can see on the screen. Okay, it become 10. Okay, what you have to do when you will use the disk, very easy. 12, we have 2-digit number. 2 is on the 1 place, 2 is on the unit place, and 1 is on the 10 place. Okay, you will draw 2 disk of 1 1 की आप 2 disk draw करेंगे and 10 disk we are using here unit place system, place value system. Place value system जैन हमने पढ़ा था फर्स्ट क्लास में. Did you know? Do you know like unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 प्लेस वैल्यूज हमने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में पढ़ी थी. वी हैव लर्नड इट एंड ये जो डिस्क मेथड है हम उसके हेल्प से कर रहे हैं. ओके, 2 is on the unit place and 1 is on the 10 place, so it become, when you multiply it by 10, it become 10 times a 100, 1 times a 10. Okay, in the same way we have. Okay, Zan, can you hear me? Zan, yes. Okay. Yes, Zan. It become 10 times a 100, 1 times a 10, 1 times a 10. And now, in the simplest way, when you multiply 12 by 10, answer become 12 times a 120. Or you can add the disk 100 plus 10 plus 10. Yes, and 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 100, 120.
12.
Yes. 12 multiplied by 10 is equal to 120.
120.
Yes. Okay. In the next topic, in the next question we will see the next.
120.
Hello. Can you?
120.
Hello, Zan. आवाज आ रही है? Okay. Next question we have here we will draw no 32. Okay, I'm giving you 32 and we will use draw disk. हम इसके लिए भी disk use करेंगे. Okay, 3 is on the 10 place. 3 जो है हमारे पास कौन सी प्लेस पे है? 10 प्लेस पर. We will use draw 3 disk for 10. हम 10 की कितनी डिस्क यूज करेंगे? 3 disk. Okay, here 1 and then Control C, Control V. अब यहाँ पर 3 is on the 10th place. Okay, 10 की प्लेस पर 3 है तो हम we will use 3 disk. You can see on the screen. And now on the unit place we have 2. Unit place पर हमारे पास कितने हैं? 2 number. We will write 2. We will draw 2 disk for unit place. Unit place के लिए हम लोग 2 digit इस्तेमाल 2 disk draw करेंगे. Yes, Zan, what are you saying? It's an easy topic, interested topic. Try to understand it, okay? When you multiply it by 10, this become, yes, class. Zan, can you hear me clearly?
What? Yeah. Yes.
Control C and then here there are, okay, Zan, when you multiply 10 by 10, answer become 10 tens are 10 tens are, yes Zan, what should be the answer? 10 tens are 100, okay, and then again we have
120.
10 tens are 100, okay, in the same way it again 3 disk multiply by 10, answer is 100, okay, yes, okay. Then when you multiply 10 with 1, 10 ones are, yes student, tell me, 10 ones are, yes, then 10 ones are 10,
10.
okay, 10 ones, yes, then next, can you see the lecture on the screen? Okay, then add these numbers and tell me, add these number 100, 100 and 100. We have, how many hundreds we have? Add 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 100.
10.
Yes, then 300 plus, yes. How many discs we have of 10? 10 की हमारे पास कितने डिस्क हैं? 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. Yes, then 20. 20. How? 20 discs we have of 10. Okay. Now then add these numbers 300 plus 20. It become 3, 2, 0. 320. Okay. Okay. Then next we have or simple way, when you multiply 32 by 10, answer become 332 tens are 320. Okay, okay Zahan. Now move towards the next number. अब हम next word number की तरफ move करेंगे. I am changing the number. I am giving you just like okay, I am giving you number, yes, 70 multiplied by 10. No, 30 and 10. Okay, we will use 30 and 10. हम यहाँ पे 30 and 10 को use कर रहे हैं. We will involve okay, yes, okay. Now it become, when you, there are, yes student, there are 3 discs of 3 discs of 10, 3 disc of 10 and 0 disc on unit place. यहाँ पर 0 disc है unit place की. Okay Zain, यहाँ पर 0 disc है unit place की, so we will not write 0. Yes student, okay. Yes class. 10 times are 100. 10 times are 100 and 10 times are 100. Okay. Yes, very good. Then answer will become, when you multiply 30 by 10, answer become 30 times are 300. Right? Right, student? In the same way, we have, I am giving you worksheet. अब हम worksheet solve करेंगे.
100.
Zan, can you see the lecture on the screen? Yes, Zan.
आपकी आवाज सही नहीं आ रही है.
Hello, hello, Zan. Can you hear me? आवाज आ रही है? Okay. Zan, listen to me, and we have to solve this with the help of multiplication.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Yes, Zan, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Okay, let's start to solve worksheet. Yes, student. Can you see lecture on the screen? Hello.
आपकी आवाज ऐसे नहीं आ रही.
अब आ रही है? Now can you hear me? 4 fours are. Zan, table आते हैं आपको? Do you know the table? 4 fours are. 4 fours are. Yes, Zan, answer बताइए. 4 fours are 16. We will write 6 here and 1 we give carry. Carry हम यहाँ दे देंगे, okay? Now 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. Okay? In the same way. 2 ones are 2. And 2 nines are 2 nines are. Yes, Zan, look at me. Look at this. 18. 2 nines are 18. Okay. Okay. Now next. 8 fives are. Read the table. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. Okay. For multiplication, you will have to learn, or you have to familiar with the tables. Okay, you should have a practice of tables. Tables याद करें अच्छी तरह. 8 fives are 40. Right hand side digit we will write in on the answer on the under the numbers, and left hand side number we will give carry. 8 fives are 40. 0 we write under the 8, and 4 we give carry to another number. 8 threes are 24. 24 and plus 4. Add the carry with 24. 24 plus 4 become 28. 28. Okay. Okay, next number we have 2 sevens are. Yes, then 2 sevens are 14. 4 we will write here, and 1 we give carry. Right hand side digit we will write under the numbers, and left hand side number we will give carry. 2 sevens are 14. 4 we write here, and 1 we give carry. And now yes, student. 2 sevens are 14, and then 2 sevens are 14. 1 we give carry, and 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1. Yes, and 14 plus 1. 15. Very good. Now you will tell me, read the table 4 with 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are. Yes, and tell me 4 threes are.
12.
2 we will write here. 1 we give carry. Now 4 threes are. 4 threes are 12. Okay, and add the carry with 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 1. Yes, then tell me 12 plus 1.
13.
Excellent.
13.
Okay. Okay, again, 4 ones, you will have to read the table 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are, yes class, 4 fours are 16. 6 I am writing under the 4 and 1 I am giving on the to the 3. It become 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are, yes then 4 threes are
12.
12. Add carry with 12. 12 plus 1.
12.
13.
4 2 12.
And 13 plus 1. 12 plus 1. 13.
12.
Okay. Okay. Let's do another question. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 0 we will write here. 4 we give carry to the 9. 5 nines are 45. Okay, then add 45 with 4. 4 45 में add करें. Answer become 4 nines are 45.
49.
Very good. It become 49. Next question. 7 zeros are
0.
7 zeros are
0.
very good. 7 fives are 7 fives are 35.
31.
Okay. Question number 11. 1 twos are 1 twos are easy. 1 twos are 2. Okay. And then 1 fives are 5. Right then? Right?
5.
Okay. Next. 7 sevens are
Yes.
answer. Last question. 7 sevens are. Read the table. 7 ones are 7. Okay. Okay, Zain. I am giving you easy questions. Let's solve another question. हम लोग easy question solve करते हैं इसके. I am giving you another questions for multiplication. Wait a second, please. Yes. I am giving you easy questions for this. Now, I am giving you 334 multiply by 1.
Yes.
And you will have to tell me, what should be the answer, okay? 55 with 2. You will have to find the product or multiply 2. It's a 2-digit number multiplying with 1-digit number. Now 1 fours are 1 fours are 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are. Yes, Zan, answer me. 1 fours are. Hello. Sorry, Zan, it's a technical issue. Hello. Yes, we were solving. Okay, we were solving 14 multiply by 1.
14.
Multiply by 1 and 55 multiply by 2.
4.
Yes, wait a minute. 1 for the 4 and 1 1 the 1 1 the 1. Okay. Now next question. 2 5s are table. Read the table 2 till 5.
4.
2 1s are 2. 2. Yes, Zan. Wait. Uh, okay. 55 multiply by 2. Last question of the class. Tell me. 2 5s are. Yes, Zan. 2 5s are 10. 0 we will write here. 1 is here. And then 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11. It become 11. Now next question I am giving you 33 multiply by 3. Yes, class. It become 3 3s are 3 3s are no 3 1s are 3 3 2s are 6 3 3s are 9. What? 9. And it become 3 3s are 9. Okay. I'm giving you question 44 multiplying by 2. Okay. You will tell me the answer. 44 by 2. 2 4s are
8.
very good. And then 2 4s are
8.
very good. Okay. Let's solve another question. I am giving you like I'm giving you 44. No, 40 43 with the help of 3. Okay. Multiplying 43 by 3. 3 3 is a 3 3 is a 9 and 3 4 is a
12.
very good. 3 4 is a 12. Okay. Next question we have and last question of the class. I'm giving you 66. You will multiply 66 with 2. 2 6 are, yes class. 2 6 are 12. And 1, 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 become 13. Okay. 2 6 are 12. We will write 2 here and 1 we gave the carry and it become 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 become 13. Is that clear? Now let's solve another question. Like 12. Okay, let's clear the whole things. Okay, now 50 by 3. Okay, class, tell me. 3 zeros are
0.
very good. 3 5s are
5.
no. 3 1s are 3.
50.
3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Yes. Got it? Okay, when I give you 10 with 2. First, multiply 2 with 0. 2 zeros are 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are
2.
very good. Okay, I'm giving you a question like 16. No, 12 with 8. Now apply 8 with 12. 8 twos are 16. What? 8 twos are
16.
8 become
16.
6. It become 1. 8 ones are
8.
8. 8 plus 1 become 8 ones are 8.
9.
9. Okay. Now 33. No, 30. Sorry, I'm changing the number. Okay. I'm giving you 32 with 5. Yes, then tell me. You will have to multiply. 5 twos are
10.
no, Zan.
10.
Very good. 0 we will write here. अब हमने इसको 1 कैरी दे दिया. 5 threes are
50.
okay. 15 plus 1.
15.
15 plus 1.
16.
Very good. Okay. Now.
16.
Okay. 22 with 9. Now tell me, Zan. 9 twos are 9 twos are 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 8 we will write here. Right hand side digit we will write under the numbers, and left hand side digit we will give the carry to another number. 9 twos are 18. 8 we will write here, and 1 we give the carry. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 1. Yes, 18 plus 1. 19. Okay.
19.
Yes. Now this is enough. We have completed our multiplication topic. Okay. I'll give you homework. This is the end of the class. Yes, student.
Yes.
End of the class. Is there any confusion, Zan? Do you want to ask any question? कुछ सवाल पूछना है आपको about this method? This method के ऊपर कुछ पूछना है? Any confusion? Any question? Any question?
No.
No? Okay. Then we are ending the class. Allah Hafiz.